Hey everybody, this is Nick. I wanted to jump on and talk about using time in Excel. So for our world, like museums, zoos, aquariums, we do a lot of exhibit timing and tracking. We follow people through exhibits and see how long they spend in them. So when I'm recording time, I'm usually doing it on a stopwatch, or maybe it's exporting from some observation software. In Excel, if I enter 15 minutes and 24 seconds, just like this, 15 minutes 24 seconds, and push enter, you can see if I go into that cell right here, up in the number format tab here, it's already defaulted to a custom number format. It already knows that I want some sort of time. But if we go down to more number formats, you will see that it's actually defaulting to hours and minutes, not minutes and seconds. Now, in museums, when we are doing this, we're often tracking total seconds or minutes and seconds because people don't usually spend hours in an exhibit. So I really actually want to convert this number from hours and minutes to minutes and seconds. But the person who was entering all my data in Excel, they did it in a way that just made sense to them. We said 15 minutes and 24 seconds, just like it read on the stopwatch. But in Excel, that's treating that as hours and minutes. So the way that I can kind of know this is if I turn this into a decimal number, it will give me the fraction of a day. That's kind of how Excel treats time. So if I go back up here to custom and I switch to general or to number, you can see it says 0.64. That's the fraction of a day. That's how much, just over half of a day is 15 hours and 24 seconds. So how do I convert this? Here's the little trick to convert. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this to clean this up. So right here, you can see that this is my 15 minutes, 24 seconds, but Excel thinks it's 15 hours and 24 minutes. What we're going to do is I'm just going to actually move this over. We're going to delete this column right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into a format of minutes and seconds. It's still going to look like 15:24, but it's actually going to be minutes and seconds. So what we're going to do is equal. We're going to take that cell right there. We want to divide it by 86,400. That is the number of seconds in a day. And then we're going to multiply by the number of minutes in a day, 1,440. So once we do that, I'm going to go ahead and push enter. You can see we get this weird thing. That's because it's defaulting to hours. So now I have 15 an hour and I have 15 minutes right there. I don't have seconds there. So we're going to go back up to the custom number format tab here, more number formats. And right here under minutes and seconds, that's what I'm going to change this to. And I'm going to click OK. And now you see I've got 15:24 here, 15:24 here. But Excel thinks this is 15 hours and 24 minutes. And Excel knows that this is 15 minutes and 24 seconds. Now, this might not seem like a big deal, but what if you had an entire sheet of a lot of time that was entered as hours and minutes, but you really needed to convert these to minutes and seconds? So we can do the same thing here and just drag it down. So I'm going to say equals this cell right here. That's B4. That's my technical hours and minutes there that Excel thinks it is. I'm going to divide by 86,400 and then multiply by 1440. We're going to do this. I'm going to go ahead and drag that down or double click to copy that formula down, and then we're going to go up here to custom number format and switch it to minutes and seconds. And now we have those in minutes and seconds. Now, if we wanted the average here, we could go ahead and calculate average, and then I'm just going to go ahead and point to that cell range, click enter, and here is my average. Now, I'm not sure if this is minutes and seconds or hours and minutes. So let's go see what it automatically defaulted to this number format here. And you can see minutes and seconds because all of my other ones were formatted as minutes and seconds. My average is now formatted as minutes and seconds now too. Now you can use these to plot your data, chart your data, make cool B-swarm plots, all the cool things that we do with timing data. I have a video about how to make a B-swarm plot with exhibit timings here, and you can look at that above and below. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. You'll get notified every time I post a new video in data design, usually PowerPoint, Excel, or Word. Had a great time making this for you, and I cannot wait to see you all next time.